The universe communicates with you at every moment. However, very often, we do not realize this, or what's even worse, we misinterpret what it has to communicate to us. Therefore, it is very important for us to learn what the different signs from the universe may mean. Perhaps you've been trying to manifest something in your life for a while, but you don't know if you're on the right track and you're afraid you're doing something wrong. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 signs that may indicate that what you desire is very close and you're about to succeed in achieving your dreams. Make sure you stay until the end, because you may find that the last of these signs applies to you. Number 1. Chaos and challenges. Very often, before providing us with what we desire, the universe puts us to the test. In this way, it tests whether we are ready to receive what we want. In addition, often the arrival of what we want is accompanied by sudden changes in our lives, which can cause a lot of chaos and unpleasant emotions in ourselves. However, we must remember that all this is happening for our greater good, and perhaps the things or people we were attached to in our lives were actually limiting us and preventing us from achieving success. Therefore, in every adversity, try to see an opportunity to grow and demonstrate your readiness to the universe. Number 2, deep inner peace. Do you sometimes have feelings of deep peace and joy for no apparent reason? Perhaps even despite the obstacles that appear, you do not break down, and deep down you feel that everything will end well anyway. It is very common that the universe communicates with us through feelings. Often the arrival of what we want is accompanied by a feeling of deep peace and excitement. It is as if somewhere deep down, on an unconscious level, we already know that we have been heard and that what we desire is on its way to us. If we can detach ourselves from expectations and impatience and simply enjoy the process of becoming the best version of ourselves, then we are on a very good path to achieving our desires. Let's give the best of ourselves every day and enjoy the journey, and what we are trying to manifest will appear in our lives before we know it. Number 3. What you desire appears in your dreams. Another way by which the universe communicates with us is through our dreams. When we sleep, our subconscious takes control. So, if you see in your dreams what you desire as already achieved, it is a very good sign that you have tuned into the vibration of that thing and are attracting it into your life. Another reason why you may see what you desire in your dreams is that the universe may be trying to communicate something to you that is related to that thing. It may be trying to give you hints about what you should do to get closer to achieving your goal. Don't ignore these signs, especially if they recur regularly. In his book Psycho-Cybernetics, Maxwell Maltz recounts the story of an engineer who was facing a challenging problem with a machine part he was designing. Despite his expertise and efforts, he couldn't find a solution to make the part work as intended. One night, the solution came to him in a dream. In this dream, he saw himself working at his drawing board, sketching out the exact design of the part that he needed. Upon waking, he remembered the design vividly and quickly went to his drawing board to sketch out the solution he had seen in his dream. When he later tested this design, it worked perfectly. So don't hesitate to take action if you feel you have been inspired, as it may be these very actions that will allow you to achieve your goal. Number 4. Recurring numbers or patterns. Many people, when trying to manifest something in their lives, begin to notice repeating symbols and patterns, such as 3 1s, 3 2s, or seeing 11:11 on the clock. This can indicate that we have tuned into the right frequency and are living in harmony with the universe, and thus with our desire that comes from it. Personally, it has come to my attention that I most often notice these recurring symbols on days when I feel the greatest joy and peace from the very morning. These signs serve as confirmation of our deep connection to the universe. However, we can begin to notice other things besides numbers. Have you ever thought about buying a particular car and suddenly started seeing it everywhere? This is a very common phenomenon when we tune into the frequency of a particular thing. We begin to attract what is associated with it. Thus, seeing that thing, hearing people talk about it, and even noticing opportunities or ways on how we can get that thing. Therefore, if we notice this sign ourselves, We need to maintain a positive attitude and continue to do the things that put us in this mood, while keeping our focus and eyes open so we don't miss potential opportunities, which in turn brings us to the last item on our list. Number 5. New opportunities come unexpectedly. This sign seems the most obvious, yet it is so often ignored by many people. We often have a specific idea of our goal and how we should achieve it. This causes us to close ourselves off to other circumstances and not allow the universe to work its way. We need to remember that the universe has a greater plan for us and the entire world, and therefore knows the best way to realize our desires, which will contribute not only to ourselves, but also to the well-being of everyone else. We should therefore let go of all expectations and open ourselves to the unknown. In this way, we will notice how unexpectedly different opportunities appear around us. Maybe we will hear from someone with a proposition. Maybe we will meet an old friend, or maybe we will meet some new person who will be able to help us in some way to realize our desire. Let's remember that the universe often delivers what we ask for at the most unexpected time and in the least expected way. Let's stay open-minded so that we don't miss out on this opportunity. Here are 5 signs that you are close to achieving a great victory. Have you noticed any of them in your life? Let us know in the comments. If you found value in this video, please show some love by leaving a like and subscription to this channel so you don't miss out on future content. Until next time, take care and let's keep on creating together.